Do you know what is quietly draining your wealth? It's not those daily lattes, or even that shiny new gadget you just couldn't resist. Nope, the number one wealth killer is something much bigger, and it's probably sitting right in front of your nose. This wealth killer has trapped 20 to 25% of people, and honestly, 60% of them are just choosing to stay stuck, making them penny-wise, pound-foolish. Now let's look at the average monthly expenses in the United States, Australia, and the UK. No matter where you look, the pattern is the same. So, can you guess the culprit? Yep, it's your beloved car. Surprise, surprise. Did you know that on average, a household spends 15 to 25% of their monthly income on car-related expenses? That's like buying a ticket to the Brookville Express. And get this, 1 in 5 Gen Zers is losing more than 20% of their after-tax income to auto loans. That's like willingly giving away your biggest wealth-building tool. But don't worry, in this video, we're going to tackle this wealth killer head-on and explore strategies to consider. Alright, let's dive into the strategies that can save your wallet from the car payment blues. First strategy you need to consider is called the 25 to 35% rule. In applying this rule, your car's total price should be 25 to 35% of your annual income. That means if you're pulling in $50,000 a year, your car budget should be no more than $12,500 to $17,500. I know, that means no shiny new sports car. But hey, your future self will thank you. Here's another gem called the 24-10 rule. This second strategy is the most popular one. In this strategy, you spend no more than 20% of your annual income on a car. Put down at least 20%, finance for no more than 4 years, and keep your total transportation costs under 10% of your monthly income. So if you earn $50,000, your car payment, fuel, insurance, and all that jazz should cost you no more than $416 a month. Easy math, right? Now, if you're really serious about saving, why not go all cash? And this brings us to our third strategy. Buy a used car, maybe one that costs as much as the down payment you'd have made in the April 20, 2010 rule. You avoid interest payments and can use the saved cash to, I don't know, invest in something that doesn't depreciate as soon as you drive it. We all know a new car loses up to 20% of its value the moment you drive it off the lot. That's like throwing money out the window, except this time, it's on 4 wheels. Add in the costs of insurance, fuel, maintenance, and interest if you're financing, and you've got yourself a financial black hole. As for the final strategy, this one's definitely my go-to. I always ask myself, what's the hurry? Think about postponing your car purchase altogether. Back when I was studying at the University of Melbourne, I got around by bike, no car for 4 years. If you're in a city with good public transport, or you can rely on Uber or taxis, you might end up saving a ton. Plus, there's always the healthier option, cycling. Just picture yourself sipping a latte in the back of an Uber while your friends are stressing out over car payments. Pretty clever, right? So, the next time you're tempted by that new car smell, remember, a car is just a tool to get you from point A to point B. Don't let it drive away with your wealth. Be smart, spend wisely, and watch your financial future flourish. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips on how to grow your wealth, one smart decision at a time. See you in the next video.